Good evening, guys, and welcome to Sheila and Friends. Ayan. So tonight, we will be, uh, ano ba to? Wait lang. Ang aking lipstick ay kumukulay sa, hindi ko kailangan yan kasi naka-lipstick ako talaga. Dahil special ang ating live tonight, we have a special guest. Ayan. Hello, hello. Ayan, hinahanap ko ang aking echo. Bakit tayo may setup tonight? Because we are doing Sheila and Friends. This is a program that I did during the pandemic. Ayan. Kami ay nagla-live stream. I live stream with my friends. Nagkakantahan kami. Ganun. So tonight may special guest tayo. Kasama natin si Duet Time, Mr. J. Marquez. Ayan. Maya-maya magjo-join na siya sa atin. We're going to invite him to our live. Pero ngayon, sound check muna tayo, guys. Help me sound check, ha. Let me know kung maganda ang tunog ng music or kung malakas or what, okay? Ayan, kantahan muna tayo. Hindi ko nga alam kung nasa kondisyon ako. Ang tagal ko hindi kumakanta. Ayan. So tonight is Music Mondays with Sheila and Friends. So every Monday, kantahan muna tayo. Rest muna tayo sa ating mga TikTok tips. And we go for some music. And syempre, i-guess natin ating mga musician friends. Okay. Let me know kung maayos yung music ko. Syempre, oldies but goodies pag si Mami. Hello, hello. Hello, hey. Here I am, alone and I don't understand exactly how it all began. The dream just walked away. I'm holding on. Okay, but holding on. When all the good the passion's gone. From the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. Okay na, Kuya Himing. Ako rin ang technician lead. Kaya nga sound check tayo, guys. Kumaalon yung tunog, really. Sa mic. Baka masyado malakas yung ano ko. Sound check, sound. Unahin natin yung mic. Hello. Hello. Yes, trying, Hana. I'm trying to sing. Kaya lang, ngayon ko lang uli gagamitin yung equipment ko. Kasi nga, di ba, nag-focus tayo sa pagtuturo ng ating mga tutorials. So, I decided Mondays, this 2025, iba-iba ang mapapanood nyo. Baka medyo nakapihit ang voices kung naka-K1 ka. Hindi, ano to Zoom. Ano to? Tucom, ewan ko. Yung husband ko bumili nito. Konting may echo po. Nakababa na yung effects ko. Sound check, sound. Hey. Sound check. Meron pa rin. Sound. Same. Okay na po yung boses. Let's listen to the music. Tingnan natin kung maayos. Bass. Wait. Siyempre, iba yung pangalan. Nakalagay, gain something. Ibang music. Let's try. Minsan sa music no, Kuya Himig. Mukhang singer din to si Kuya Himig eh. How about this one? Sa ano nga tayo? Covers PH. Maganda yung ano nila, arrangement nila. Thank you so much. Ayan. Ito, magandang music ng... Okay na. Covers PH. I'm trying to sing. And later, darating po ang ating guest, si Mr. J. Marquez. Okay, need to know. How does it sound? Thank you for joining me tonight. Ayan. By 7 p.m., magjo-join na po si Mr. J. Marquez. Si Mr. Duet Time. Ayan. Kaya hindi kami makapag-duet kasi nga may delay, di ba, pag live. For those who do not know, Mr. J. Marquez was part of the company. Ayan. Yung mga kantang OPM songs na Muntik na Kitang Minahal. Ayan. Special Memory. Ayan. Nandito siya mamaya. Yes, Music Mondays with Sheila and Friends. Welcome, welcome. Okay na po ba yung music ko? How does it sound? Ayaw nga, Kuya Himig, yung may guitar. Magagawin natin yan next time. Ano, ha? The next Music Mondays. Kaya lang tonight kasi meron tayong special guest. Every Monday ha, drop by ka dito. Para pwede ka makijam. Try nga natin to. Okay na yung music ko. Ngayon lang ako ulit kakanta kasi nag-focus ako sa sa TikTok tutorials, diba? As for the next days, siguro Wednesdays, i-guest ko naman yung mga ating mga affiliates, mga inspirational affiliates. I-invite ko pa sila. Para ma-interview natin sila at matuto tayo sa kanila. But during Mondays, relax lang muna, kantahan tayo. Okay. Hello. Okay na itunog ng music? Sound check. Pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Good evening. Dati mong pag-ibig, wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita, kailan pa man. Uy, yan. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo'y di ko kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Thank you so much, guys. Okay na yung music ko. Nagsa-soundcheck pa lang ako. May guest ako tonight. Ayan, makikita nyo siya mamaya. Mr. J. Marquez will be joining us at 7 p.m. Sound check pa lang to, guys. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa Monday mornings, ay, Monday music with Sheila and friends. Maliban nang ikaw ay ibigin ko, ako ay isang bulag na umiibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Inisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. Welcome to Music Mondays with Sheila and friends. This is my TikTok live on Monday. We take a rest from TikTok coaching muna and TikTok tips. Ayan. And magkantahan muna tayo pag Monday. Tuesday onwards, we have other upcoming events, live events. So join me here on TikTok Live. Thank you so much. And syempre, abangan nyo ang aking guest tonight, Mr. J. Marquez. Mr. Duet Time will be joining us at 7 p.m. Ayan. 10 minutes na lang. Yan. Maging sino ka man, whoever you are. In English. And of course, if you are here, if you like, uh, if you like music and if your niche, kung ikaw ay singer at ang niche mo ay singing din or music, manood ka kasi i-interviewin natin si Mr. J. Marquez. He has around 300,000 followers already. Alamin natin kung paano siya naging successful, paano niya na-achieve ang 300,000 followers here on TikTok as a singer. Ayan. So sa mga musicians dyan, sa mga singers na gustong matuto at malaman ang kanyang journey, paano siya nakakuha ng 300,000 followers? Ayan. Alamin natin yan ngayon kay Mr. J. Marquez at 7 p.m. Okay? Ayan. Message ko lang siya. Okay. Try natin ulit. Ayan, message ko lang siya. Good evening, good evening. Good evening, good evening. Ayan, magla-live na daw siya. Standby, guys. Parating na si Mr. J. Marquez. Yan, and this is our first collab under Stages PH. Ayan, Stages Management here on TikTok. Chatsky, teka lang, ako ba ay nag-on ng collab? Ayan, para sigurado hindi tayo maano ni TikTok. I turned on content disclosure. Of course, the bookmarks are still available in my TikTok shop. If you are new, I suggest you start with Obvious Ba and webinars. Okay? Depende kasi kung ano yung kailangan mo. Each bookmark solves a problem. Okay. Mm-mm. What is it that you need? What issues do you want to solve? Kasi each bookmark solves a problem. Jengski, I actually started with that. Kaya lang, syempre, hindi siya sustainable. Okay. Actually, I'm starting that again dun sa isang account ko. I have a different account um, kung saan doon kami tutulungan. Yan. On my, kapag madami na, oh, one more song before I let Mr. J in. Yan. Oo nga, hindi na nag-work yan. There are places I remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. All these places have their moments with lovers and friends. I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living. In my life, I've loved them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them in my life. I love you more. And yes, for those seeing this for the first time, this is TikTok coach Sheila Gamo, and this is my Monday music with Sheila and friends. And tonight's guest is Mr. J Marquez, coming at 7 p.m. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before, I know I'll often stop and think about them in my life. I love you more. Hello. In my life, I love you more. Yes, good evening. It's Music Mondays with Sheila and friends. So every Monday, kantahan po tayo. Yeah, we take a break from our TikTok tips. And we have a special guest every Monday. Ayan. But this Monday, today, this is the very first episode. Siyempre special. Guest ko po si Mr. J. Marquez, si Mr. Jua Time. Ayan, he was part of the group The Company. Ayan. Classic OPM hits. Special Memory. Muntik na kitang minahal. Diba? Now That I Have You. I'm sure you know those songs. Ayan. So, stick around. Please share this live. Ayan. Sa mga mahilig kumanta at gusto maging successful dito sa TikTok, tonight we will be interviewing Mr. J. Oops. May nasendan ako na invite. Sorry. Ayan. So, I will be inviting him as a co-host tonight. Ayan. It's already 6:59. Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my special guest, Jay
Hey, hi Sheila.
Marquez.
Magandang gabi. Palakpakan si Sheila. Yay! Wow, pati background. Nakakatuwa naman. Wait,
Oh,
lalakasan ko yung aking microphone dito. So I can hear you. Yan. Nilakasan ko yung microphone sa aking phone.
wait.
And I hear you now. A little more better.
Ayan.
Yes! Palakpakan! Ang ating napakagaling na si Miss Sheila Gamo, aka Miss Bayanihan.
I have to
Nakaka-
unplug my sound system kasi hindi pala kita maririnig.
Talaga ba? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Sige, I hear
Anyway.
you loud and clear now.
Okay, that's great. Ayan,
Good
guys,
evening.
welcome. Yan. Wala na ako sound effect. Alright,
Ako
anyway.
meron. Ako meron.
Puti pa. Ayan,
Yes.
welcome, guys. Ayan, to an exciting live stream here on my channel. Tonight, we have a special guest. Ayan.
Woo!
Whose
Thank
voice
you for
alone
having me.
captured so many hearts. Ayan.
Nux.
A talented singer, composer, content creator. Ayan, si Mr. Jewett Time.
Yes, I love it.
A warm welcome to the one and only Jay Marquez.
Woo!
Ayan.
Ito palakpakan.
Oo.
Tapos meron din ganito, Sheila. Yan.
Ayan. Oo nga eh.
Mga
Ano yung
pa-effect
sound card?
na.
Ano din ako? Saan TikTok ko?
Ito sound card,
Yeah.
binigay ng management ko, Maono Caster. If that's how you pronounce it, Mayono Caster.
Mayono.
Mayono
Ganda
Caster.
ha?
It's really
Ayan.
nice. It's really nice. I'm
Yeah.
excited, Sheila. This is the
Oo
first
nga eh.
collab between the two of us, and it's the first time I'm actually doing a live with an organized collaboration.
Yes, it's a co-hosting, di ba?
It's a co-hosting, and I'm really privileged and blessed because it's you.
Oy naman.
No, you know why? Because I really watch your videos. Because I learn a lot from you. Ang daming matututunan sa'yo. Kung value lang talaga sa TikTok platform, ikaw na yun. Ang dami mong value na binibigay sa mga nanonood sa'yo because you give, very unselfish ka with how you give your knowledge about how to use the TikTok platform successfully.
Thank you, thank you. Ayan, yun naman ang goal natin. Kaya bayanihan siya. We help each other. Ayan.
Tama. I love it.
Actually, yan, pareho tayo nanonood tayo to each other kasi before kitang na-meet sa stages, ka-duet na kita.
Tama. Oh my God.
Ay, di ba,
Bigla akong nahiya pagka
Nag-duet na
ganun.
kita. Even before naging TikTok coach. Yan. Before I became a
Okay.
TikTok coach. Yan. Lagi
Tama,
siya ano.
medyo cringe ako because of how I started on TikTok. So parang hindi ko na re-rewatch yung mga videos ko when I was starting kasi super cringe talaga. Nakakadiri talaga.
Bakit naman?
As in. Tapos kung na-follow mo na ako ever since at that time pa lang when I was starting. So mga 2019. OMG, nakakadiri. Yuck.
Ikaw naman tayo mag-start, di ba? Ako rin
Tama na.
2019 naging active dito.
Yes.
And I tried different things. Nag-dubbing ako, dancing, di ba? Mga ganon.
Totoo. Ako din. Started with dubbing.
Oo, di ba? Tapos ayaw mo na panoorin.
Ayaw na panoorin. Nakakadiri talaga. Tapos we look different back then. We look
Siyempre.
better now, definitely.
Mas alam na natin gamitin yung app ngayon.
Yes. Anyway, thank you.
Ayan.
Meron tayong some kind of chit-chat na gagawin. For everybody who's watching, Sheila and I will talk about ourselves, no, and probably you can pick up some insights from that.
Correct. Actually, I was excited to invite you kasi I've been telling my viewers, for those who want to grow here on TikTok as a musician, ayan, pwede ka nilang gawing model. Yan.
Wow.
Yeah, kasi di ba,
OMG.
that's what I teach. Ano, para siyang a copycat strategy. So if you have a certain niche that you want to learn, find a creator na pwede mong gawing model or maging parang inspiration mo.
Yeah, or
Yeah.
one of the
One of
models,
the
no?
inspirations.
Inspirations,
Yeah.
yes.
And of course, by learning the experiences or pinagdaanan ni Mr. J, ayan,
Yes.
yan, pwede nyo rin i-apply sa sarili nyong account. So that's what we're doing tonight. We will find out about his journey. And syempre may konting kantahan tayo.
Tama. And I will also ask questions, of course, about Miss Sheila. Ano din naman ako na it's all about me. It should
Oh,
be parang ano lang, pantay lang. About you also. I'd like to learn more about you.
yeah,
Apart from the teachings that you give here on TikTok, more of Sheila the person.
yes, thank
Yes.
you. Teka lang, may nagdo-doorbell.
Go, go, go. Punta
Kasama
muna.
sa live
Kausapin ko
streaming
muna
ang
sila.
ano. Bakit
O
may
ganyan talaga ang buhay-buhay. May nagdo-doorbell, tapos merong delivery, JT Express, Shopee. Ay,
Ayan,
bawal
saan
pala
po
banggitin.
Ay,
Lala Move, OMG.
not
May
here.
delivery, mga in-order. Mayaman yan si Sheila eh. Marami siyang in-order talaga ng mga bagay-bagay.
Dito sa kabila. O, di ba alam mo para sa kapitbahay?
Yes. Which part of Metro Manila are you in?
I'm actually in Bacoor, Cavite.
Bacoor. Wow.
Yeah.
You are quite far from me. I'm here in Quezon City / border of Marikina.
Oh, wow.
Near Ateneo. Very near Ateneo. As in, pwede kong i-jogging papuntang Ateneo.
Really?
Kasi yung aking panganay, doon nag-aaral. So parang makatipid. Malapit na kami sa school niya.
Lumipat na kayo. That's that's practical.
Tama. Ang ingay ko, no? Medyo may extra energy ako ngayon. Kasi nagkape ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako pwedeng antukin pagka nag-uusap kami ni Sheila. Dahil
Nagkape ka ng gabi.
kailangan gising na gising.
Yes, ayan. So, let's start with your sharing about your journey.
OMG, yung mga yung mga general patronage lang na pwedeng i-share.
Yung saan lang ay hindi tayo
Mababan.
hanggang ni TikTok.
Tama.
Ayan. So, for those who do not know, Jay and I are part of Stages. Ayan, we are Stages talents here on TikTok. And dahil sa kanila, I got this idea of reviving Sheila and Friends. Ayan.
Tama. Yay.
Yeah, this is actually something that I did way back in the pandemic. Na I guess some of my singer friends online. Ayan, kantahan lang kami para hindi kasi ang daming singers na na-depressed that time, 'di ba? So
tama, about work, losing work and then not having an idea on how to make a living, that time. So talagang naging creative tayo trying to do what we can.
Correct. So napahinga 'yon nung nabalik na sila sa work. So I'm bringing it back now with you.
Yes. Go, go, go.
Yeah, so let's dive in. Yan. So nabasa ko ang iyong profile. Mukhang busy siya from the very beginning.
Tama. That was actually it was an article at Manila Bulletin.
Wow.
Mali yata English ko, meron tayong grammar Nazi dyan si Manong O. But it was an article on, at, towards. It was an article in, ano ba Manong O? Manila Bulletin. So I just grabbed it. Nagpaalam naman ako. It was Mr. Fu who wrote it.
Yes. Ayan. And for those who do not know, Jay was part of the company. Ayan. Pinapakita ko nga sa kanila yung mga songs nyo. Yan, mga OPM classics. Mga Muntik na Kitang Minahal, di ba?
Yes. Everlasting Love.
Special
Pakisabi
Memory.
na lang. Special Memory. Yes.
Ayan.
Yun yung dalawang songs ko, Miss Sheila. Pakisabi na lang and Special Memory.
Yun nga. Pinakinggan ko, ay, shit, boses niya to eh.
Thank you, Len. Si Len, meron akong friend na nanonood.
Thank you so much. Ayan. Ayan. Can you take us back to the beginning? What inspired you to pursue music? Yan. When did you discover na, uy, may talent ako. Gusto ko tong i-career.
Okay. It came in naturally, Miss Sheila, because as a child, my mom would make me sing without even knowing that I could. And so, siguro yung mga mommies nag-overcompensate. Hanggang ngayon naman, parang ganun ng mga... Are you a mom, Miss Sheila?
Yes. I have
Yes, you
to.
are. So parang you think of ways to keep your children preoccupied or probably discover their talents. So same with my mom, that's what she did. So she had me go to you're familiar with Green Hills Music Studio. It's a it's owned by the Arambulos. They have a music studio in their home inside along Missouri Street sa North Green Hills. East Green Hills pala. And then I would go there every weekend and do voice lessons. At the same time, piano lessons. So parang choose ka na lang saan mo gusto mag-voice lessons ka, mag-piano lesson. Discovering, I like both, but I navigated towards singing more than playing the piano. So every weekend I would do voice lessons, and then at home, lo and behold, my dad supported the effort. Bumili siya ng karaoke machine. Nung panahon na yun, karaoke machine pa. Yung rectangular na may cassette player. Bumili ng karaoke machine para mag-practice ako sa bahay. Doon nag-umpisa, I was in grade school. Doon nag-start yung pagkanta-kanta. But nothing, of course, I never joined the contest. There was no need for me at that time, no, because everything was okay naman. Parang, wala din namang nag-encourage for me to go to join contests, yung mga baryo-baryo contests. Walang ganun. Akong na-experience. Yun, yun ang pinaka-nitya kung paano ako nag-umpisang kumanta.
Nice. So,
encouragement by parents.
Yeah. Oh, importante yan, guys. So, for those who are parents here, ayan, minsan yung anak mo, hindi siya sure kung ano yung gusto niya. Pero pag may nakita kayong talent, konting push. Di ba?
Ayan,
Inspire them. And of course, send them to trainings.
Tama.
Bagay
kung saan mo nakikita yung gut feel mo kung saan sila ganado.
Yun, kasi iba yung feeling ng you feel the support of your parents.
Yes.
Pag-usap sa talent that you like, diba?
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely. Tapos yung kinakanta ko noon, mga kanta ng panahon luma. Kanta ng ABBA, The Winner Takes It All, mga ganyan.
Siyempre bata pa di ba?
Oo, puro mga ganon. Cliff Richards, oh my gosh, hindi niyo alam yung mga yan.
Alam nila yan. Puro
yung
mga
suddenly, the wheels are in motion. Yeah. Mga ganyan. Oh my God, luma.
Classics, huwag mo sabihin luma.
Classics, oh. Bee Gees, mga ganyan, kinakanta ko.
Yan. And for those who do not know, yan, Jay is also the voice behind some commercials. Yung mga...
Quite some commercials. A lot actually.
How did you get those opportunities? Paano ka napasok sa ganong
So actually, it's that yung pagkanta ko sa commercials, parang third tier siya sa journey ko into singing. So I was doing theater. And then some people watched me from advertising, and then they just asked me if I can sing for their commercials.
Nice.
These are music arrangers. The very first one was, his name was Greg Caro, the late Greg Caro. So malangit tawa, he passed away already. Si Greg Caro, this was in the 90s. He discovered me singing Could You Be Messiah in a musical theater called First Name at the Music Museum. It was under trumpet, so I was with Audie Himora. Yeah, for trumpets, because he owns trumpets as well as stages. And then so Greg Carr discovered me because he is an arranger for commercials. You know, during that time, the money was in advertising. Well, up to now naman, di ba? But it was more parang before, when TV was king and radio was queen, parang ganun. A lot of people were into commercials and advertising because kumikita ka talaga if you're into that business.
Correct.
And so Greg Caro, who happens to be the composer of Basta't Kasama Kita, Basta't Kasama Kita, of Ding Dong Avensado, wala't magagawa, approached me and asked me to sing a commercial jingle for him. Tapos hulaan mo kung ano yung pinaka-first commercial jingle ko on radio.
Ano yan?
For a brand.
Mahirap manghula.
Mahirap manghula naman, tas wala pang clue. It's for a condom brand. So there's this condom brand called Sensation Condoms during that time. Yun yung pinakauna kong commercial jingles. Tapos ano siya, ballad. As in ballad, as in para siyang ballad na mala Basil Valdez. Yung pagka-render. Tapos after that, tuloy-tuloy na siya. Dumating na yung mga brands like Jollibee, Even McDo, mga competitive brands, pati Globe, ganyan, Smart. Buhay na ang Globe and Smart nung 90s.
Diba?
Di ba? Yun, doon lang nag-umikot yung mundo ko sa advertising jingles noon.
So this is mostly jingles and singing, hindi yung voice acting. Iba pa.
Very seldom may voice acting din. So I would dubber din anything that would use my voice. Igagrab ko yung opportunity kasi sayang eh.
Oo.
Kasi alam mo, ang isang jingle, isang buwang sweldo na sa if I was working in a company.
Correct, actually.
Isang commercial lang, isang buwan sweldo ko nung time na yon. So why not? Doon na ako magko-focus.
Oo. So nakita mo yung opportunity.
Yes. Ang problema lang, walang security of tenure because you're like a freelancer.
Correct. When
Wala
the
kang
profit comes
benefits.
in, di ba?
Tama.
Do you still go auditioning or you had an agent that time?
I never had an agent for commercials. Tumatawag sa akin diretso yung mga suppliers.
Oh. So by
Word of
referral.
mouth, referral. I did songs for Jimmy Antiporda, even for Louis Ocampo. Si Louis Ocampo is a judge now sa tawag ng tanghalan. Pero kasi din naman, Sheila, nung panahon na yon wala pang social media, nung early
Correct.
90s So, wala kang masyadong kakompetensya din in that field. Eh ngayon, ang dali-dali na eh, di ba? Maghanap ka lang sa social media, may makikita ka eh.
Yeah, it's so competitive now.
Yeah, it is. It's a different ball game nowadays.
Correct. So trumpets ka din pala, no?
Yes.
Did you train with them or you just auditioned for the play?
I was recruited.
Oh.
I don't remember auditioning for a play. It was always I was asked. Kasi nung time na yun, maliit lang naman yung community. I auditioned for Repertory Philippines, but I didn't make it.
I see.
Mga ganyan.
I've done plays din kasi with trumpets before, pero
Talaga ba? Probably that was after na, I was...
around 2000s na.
hindi na ako active nun.
Oo. Sila ang nakatrabaho ko si Sweet.
Yes.
The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe.
Nag-teacher siya doon eh. And then she became an officer for the office of trumpets.
Ayan. Speaking of Sweet, ayan, she was also part of the company. She's also part of the company. Ayan. So, ano yung pinaka-unforgettable memory mo from the time you were part of the company? Or how did you become part of the company? Paano ba nangyari? From commercials, di ba?
Yeah, I was doing commercials, I was doing theater, anything voice. I was a freelancer making really good money doing advertising. And on the side, I was singing theater, sometimes live for shows. So I was okay. I did not need being part of a singing group. Kasi okay na ako, masaya na ako eh. And then one thing happened that Ruben Laurente, who is the original singer of Pakisabi na Lang, and Andre Castillo, who is the original singer of Everlasting Love. Are you familiar with the songs?
Yes, of course.
Everlasting Love. The two of them biglang nag-decide to leave the group. So anim sila eh. So 3 lalaki, 3 babae. So yung 2 lalaki aalis, so may matitirang isa. And then so at that time they did not want to do a cattle call, meaning invite everybody to audition, no? Tapos mamimili ka kasi that's too tedious. So ang nangyari was they would invite people they know. So they asked me to audition via the recommendation of Sweet. Kasi Sweet and I were together in trumpets. So parang she had an experience na about how I sound, how I sing, how I look. And so I auditioned. It was in New Manila, the house of, the hacienda of Annie Quintos. Si Annie, siya yung madalas na vocal coach sa ABS-CBN. Ano nga ba yung ASAP? Sa ASAP. Si Teacher Annie. So I auditioned. sang a song, did group singing with them. And then a few days after, they told me that I got the job. But of course, it took a while for me to, okay, so, kasi magbabago yung buhay ko noon because I was doing a lot of things and then suddenly I have to concentrate on one. Because the thing with the company was you have to give your 101% because the schedule would be kung basta sila yung priority.
Mm-mm.
Yun ang nangyari noon. So it was kind of a life-changing event for me because yun nga karera ko ang apektado if I accepted the job, which I did naman because it was exciting.
Yes, of course.
A year after kasi I joined, dumating yung Pinoy Dream Academy. Are you familiar with Pinoy Dream Academy?
Yes.
It's the one where Yeng Constantino won.
Mm.
So that happened for the group. Kami yung naging mentors ng mga contestants, ng mga, ano yung tawag sa kanila? Hindi sila bahay, well, doon kami sa bahay ni Kuya sa PBB, nagsushoot. So we would mentor sina Yeng, sina Ronnie Liang. Yan. So, nangyari yun. Siyempre, ABS-CBN was so big and I think they were number 1 for quite a while. So every time lalabas kami doon, it was really good for the group. Ang dami namin trabaho, hindi kami magkanda o gaga. Because people knew us and I think it was that show that really made the group known to a wider audience. Ang daldal ko ba?
Okay lang. Hindi ko nakikinig ako.
Oo nga.
Ayan. So, sunod-sunod ang gigs niyan for sure that time.
Super. Concerts and events.
Bongga.
2006.
Nakakakilala ba ng The Company dyan, guys?
Diyos ko, mga Gen Z yung mga nandito. Lalo na si Manong O, Gen Z yan.
Yan. Ano yung mga favorite songs nyo from The Company? Comment nyo nga.
Ilan lang naman din yung hit songs. No? Hindi siya hindi siya mahirap maalala.
Yes. Ayan. So speaking of The Company, syempre kailangan natin ng sample. Ayan.
OMG.
Tayo. Music break tayo. Ayan.
Sige, kakanta. O nga no, kasi 1 hour lang tayo.
Ako, favorite
oras.
Company. Favorite daw niya ni Tita Lourdes.
Hi, Tita Lourdes. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Tita Lourdes. Thank you for joining.
Wow, sir, di ba pinag-academy yung Kilayeng? Ayan.
Oo nga, sa PDA. That was an experience.
Yes.
Anyway, about the song number that I'm about to do, my second album with the company was called Destination Bossa. Kasi nung time na yon, City Navarro was so big. And so we decided to do a bossa album or bossa inspired album. And one of the songs that ito yung pinakaunang solo ko sa the company na sa akin napunta na ako yung kumanta. It's called Harana.
Yeah.
Originally by ang arte parokya ni Edgar. Parokya ni Edgar. Parokya ni Edgar released this in 1997. But then kami, yung album na ito, lumabas siya ng 2007 naman, 10 years after. So I hope you enjoy this, Sheila, and as well as your viewers. I'd like to sing for your viewers, your fans, and your followers. And the people watching me here, all 10 million of them.
Yeah.
So this song is for you.
Hey guys, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. J. Marquez.
Yes, Harana. Uso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba tong mukhang gago? Nagkandara pa sa pagkanta at nasisintonado sa kaba. Meron pang dalang mga rosas, suot na may maong nakupas, at nariyan pa ang barkada, nakaporma nakabarong sa awiting daigpang -1 at sing along. Hey! Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana. Hey! Para sa'yo. Oh, di ba't parang isang sine, isang pelikulang romantiko? At di ba't ikaw ang bidang artista at ako ang iyong leading man sa istoryang nagwawakas sa pag-ibig na wagas? Sing with me. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana. Para sa'yo, puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana. Para sa'yo.
Thank you so much. Ayan, ang galing daw. Sabi ni Sonia.
Salamat. Uy, thank you to Cordapia. My good friend Cordapia na nanonood. Salamat sa mga regalo mo, Cordapia. I appreciate you.
Yes. Thank you po sa mga nandito, sa mga nag-share at nagsisend ng gifts. Thank you so much. Ayan.
Yes.
So, napag-usapan natin ang kanyang showbiz career. All the way from voice dubbing, commercials,
Tama.
then the company. Ngayon naman, he
But
is now...
before that, have you done commercials as a voice actor or as an actress?
I was actually part of Batibot before. Coco Quick Walk.
Wow, OMG, napaka-nostalgic naman yan.
Yes. Kaya age reveal na rin yan.
Tama, Batibot.
Yes.
Batibot
Pero last
days.
batch na kami, Coco Quick Walk, when they replaced Pong Pagong with the Philippine Eagle.
Wow.
So
That's
ako,
amazing to know.
yes, ako po si Ate Sel noon.
Mas luma ako because ang kinalakihan ko Sesame Street.
Kasabay naman
mas-
yun.
Well, nag-coincide naman.
Ano sila? Ginaya ng Philippine TV
Yes,
ang
version. Ate Shena,
Ayun.
Ate Shena, ganyan, mga ganyan.
Ayan. Ako naman si Ate Sel.
Ate Sel.
Unang first time nilabas yung mga cellphones. So
Wow.
parang since techie din ako, nakita ni Sir Rene Villanueva na medyo techie itong batang to, ang dami kong gadget, may beeper ako, may cellphone. Sabi niya, ikaw na si Ate Sel. Yan.
Tama. Nakakatuwa naman. Wow. Nostalgic. Oh, go. Sorry, I interrupted you.
No, it's okay. Kasi nga, di ba, we talked about our past. Ayan, naungkat ang nakaraan.
Tama.
Now, we talk about what you've achieved now. Siyempre, you are also well known here on TikTok. Ang daming nagjujuwet sa'yo. Ayan.
Oo na.
Yes,
About-
around 300,000 followers, I
Yeah,
think.
301 right now. Very
101.
recently nadagdagan ng 1,000.
Bongga.
But it took a while. That was since 2019.
Mm-mm.
So, matagal-tagal din. Magpa 5 years na.
Oo, kasi the
Diba?
algorithm changes eh.
Tama.
2019, iba yung process. Ang bilis mag-grow that time. Tapos,
Tama. Oo.
naging search engine na si TikTok yon. That's when I started applying my techie stuff.
Oo nga. And since we're in that topic na, we're on that topic, how do you figure out or how do you find out yung mga tips and tricks that you teach?
I actually
Research?
have, yes, research. Tsaka dati kasi akong SEO writer for websites.
Ang galing
Aside,
naman.
aside from as being an artist, kasi I became a stay-at-home mom. Nag-focus ako
Tama.
sa mga kids ko. So, I work from home as a writer. Yeah, so, I do
Wow.
websites. Then, nung naging search engine si TikTok, sabi ko, uy, applicable yung ginagawa ko sa websites to this app.
Ang
So, I
galing
started
naman.
studying the algorithm, watching the analytics. Yeah.
SEO is a difficult job.
Yeah, you have to, although yung technical side, coding, hindi ko pa masyadong alam. Pero,
Okay. May idea ka.
yeah, I
At
have the
least,
idea
no?
of using the keywords, ganon, and using it para maintindihan ka ng algorithm.
Galing. Kakatuwa naman.
And that's what I'm sharing with the people now.
Kailangan palakpakan yan. Yan.
And
Okay.
yan nga, sabi ko, since you are in the music niche, magandang inspiration ka to creators na mahilig din kumanta, pero hindi nila alam paano ba ako magiging successful dito sa TikTok.
Okay.
Ayan. So, as a content creator naman, I would like you to share your journey. Sabi mo, cringe yung mga first videos mo sa TikTok.
Totoo.
Ano ka ba
Super
nagsimula?
cringe.
Then, how did you reach where you are now? Ano bang process mo? Ayan. Kwento mo.
Because I was in another app. Like most of us naman, we started on the other apps, di ba?
Yeah, we cannot mention.
Yeah, tama. And then at that time, I was also doing influencer marketing,
Mm-mm.
but using the other apps. And then I met one of the influencers during that time. Tapos he was doing TikTok already. And mas malaki pa yung engagement rate niya and following niya sa TikTok compared to kung saan ko siya nakita. So when I discovered that was around 2018 na nag-bleed to 2019. So sabi ko, ano ba tong TikTok na to? So let me figure it out and try to discover what it is. So I got into TikTok. That's how I got into TikTok. It's because of this influencer. And then, so doon, nung time na yon around 2019 nga, uso yung lip sync. So it came from the Dub Smash, di ba? So parang yung kung saan si Maine Mendoza nag-flourish. And so maraming it's either dubbing, yung nagli-lip sync ka ng mga words, ng mga dialogue, or sayaw. Tapos yung sayaw pa yung pwedeng mabagal yung sayaw mo, di ba? Yung naka-time. Tapos para kang robot pagka lumabas. Doon ako nag-start. And then I was thinking of ways, paano ba ako mapapansin? So ang nangyari was, nagpa-sexy ako. Mga pa-shirtless, nag-sayaw-sayaw ng medyo suggestive. Pero nothing that is really blatantly na nakakabastos, no? Yung mga teaser lang. Nung time na yun, kaya sinasabi ko, cringy talaga because paano ba magpapansin dito sa TikTok nung time na yun? That's how, nung ginawa ko kasi yun, parang OMG, ano na ako, ang laki na ng following. Pero of course, careful ka din sa ganyang strategy because ibang audience yung nakaka-capture mo.
Correct.
And you get a lot of comments that you probably won't welcome because a lot of people will definitely reach out to you asking for something that, ay, bakit ganun? Parang, kung mahina ka, baka ma-offend ka na lang lagi. So, at least, no, it was a learning experience for me. So, from there, nag-transform na ako. Ano pa bang pwede kong gawin na mag-click sa mga audience? Because 'di ba, like you, I'm sure you know about the value that you give to your audience.
Mhm.
So I was thinking, what value can I give to my audience and make them participate with my videos? So sabi ko yun, that's how the duet videos came about.
Correct. Ayan.
Mhm.
Speaking of value, yan, for those people who do not know what yung sinasabi niyong value, it is kung ano yung mapapala ng audience mo from what
Tama,
you're doing. Ayan.
tama,
So it's either you educate people, may tinuturo ka, you entertain, or you
tama,
inspire. Yan.
tama.
So, yan. Ako rin nag-try ako before, nag-dub ako, nag-duet ako. Yan. It was just fun for me at the beginning.
Yes. Well, I think that's important,
Yeah.
Sheila, no? It has to be fun as one of the priorities. It has to be fun para maging sustainable.
Yes. And of course, it has to become natural to you. Kasi pag
Yes.
di ba, effort,
Tama.
it becomes, a burden na to make
Tama.
content na hindi mo naman hilig.
Just like any job, no? Pag hindi mo mahal yung job mo,
Yes.
it's a
And,
burden.
yeah, nahuli mo yung kiliti ng tao, ng Pinoy, kasi mahilig kumanta. Di ba?
Somehow, no? Pero ang dami kasing singers din, no? Parang you have
Yes.
to be talagang iisip ka talaga, ano pa bang pwede kong gawin? You have to be creative para mapansin din or mag-click. Yung possibility mo of going viral, mas lumaki.
Mm, correct.
Sometimes mawawalan ka ng ideas.
Correct, correct. Ayan. Pero how do you do your content? 'Di ba may mga lyrics? Do you have a
Yes.
special app that you use or dito lang sa TikTok?
Yeah, I shoot with the camera of my iPhone lang, sa video ng iPhone. And then mas comfortable ako kasi nasanay ako sa CapCut.
Mm.
And parang ang bilis ko na nga sa CapCut, I have a video in 1 hour.
Oh, really?
The thing is, pag dinala mo siya kay TikTok, I've listened to some videos na kapag nag-edit ka outside, parang hindi pinupush ni TikTok. Totoo ba yun?
Yeah, that's true ngayon kasi gusto niya most of the edits dito na gagawin sa app.
Oo nga pero minsan may pag medyo laos yung yung editing tool, 'di ba? Parang ang pangit pati ng pagka ini-speed mo yung video mo, ang pangit na nung audio.
Hmm.
So parang ba't ganun, no? Pero I tried kasi sabi ko, sige, hindi ako magka-CapCut, mag-edit ako in the app of TikTok. Pero parang hindi masyadong okay.
Oo.
Pero sige lang.
Pero there's a way to to override that. Sa Creator Search Insights ka gumawa. Halimbawa, ginawa mo sa labas. Yan.
Okay.
Then you go into Creator Search Insights, hanapin mo yung topic, if it's singing or music, then doon mo siya i-upload.
Ooh.
Good.
Palakpakan yan. Thank you for the tip. So guys, ayan na, may natututunan tayo ngayon.
Yes. Sa mga nag-edit sa labas ng TikTok, ipasok nyo sa Creator Search Insights.
Sige,
Ayan,
I'll do that.
Para i-push. Yun ang mga pinupush ni TikTok algo ngayon eh. Halos every week nag-update siya. So you have to, to follow kung ano yung kanyang May mga tips and tricks siya.
Wow. Pero Sheila, you're not part of the TikTok Corporation of Philippines. You're not.
No.
You're not. Okay.
Yeah, I just studied the app really well. Ina-explore ko siya. Then I experiment. Yan, para mahuli ko yung algorithm. Yan.
Wow. Ang hirap din yan due diligence yan eh.
Kasi I used to be an app reviewer then online as a freelancer. So, some apps would send us the app, tapos i-review namin, testing namin, then we review. We tell the app, medyo glitch ito, alisin mo tong feature na to, ganyan. So,
galing. Pwedeng career yan as in consultant ka for mga developers.
Oo.
Tapos ang taas ng sweldo mo, siguro as in sweldo mo in a month, millions.
Hindi naman.
Habulin ka ng BIR.
Kami nakikinig. Secret na lang.
Joke lang.
May BIR ha.
Oo. Yes, oh my God, kakabayad ko lang.
Lang yun ha.
Oo.
Ayan. Anyway, let's talk about naman the challenges. Ano yung mga challenges na na-experience mo, the ups and downs as a TikTok creator? Tsaka paano mo siya na-overcome?
Kasi nga, I think parang naging double-edged sword ang algorithm. Dahil sa maganda ang change.
Hmm.
And the change is meant to improve sana. Yun nga lang, nagsasuffer if you're used to a system. Parang ito yung gagawin ko as a content creator. You were getting views then, suddenly you're not getting as much views anymore because of the change in the algorithm. So magbabago ka na naman ng the way you make your content. So I think that's one of the disadvantages. My low points on TikTok is that suddenly wala na namang engagement yung mga videos kong ginagawa. But I think that's a good thing also to challenge yourself to figure it out. Because it's the
Correct.
only way naman din to learn and grow, di ba? Mahirap lang yung process of learning and growing and trying to discover ano ba yung tama. Tapos
Yan lang.
may community guidelines pa na maya't maya pinopolice ka, 'di ba? Tatanggalin
Correct.
yung audio mo or may mali kang nagawa, bawal 'yan. Tapos minsan hindi naman consistent din yung rules.
Correct.
Those
Correct.
are the things, no? But everything is I think ang nakikita ko namang positive about TikTok is that they're trying to improve all the time. Trying to improve all the time. So I think they're also experimenting yung mga things na ay sometimes feeling ko but ganito yung ginawa nila. I think they're experimenting
Correct.
to
Correct.
think if it will work or not.
Actually, yung ibang features from other apps, pinapasok nila dito. So, most of the things that you can do with different apps, dito mo lahat magagawa. So,
Yes.
kaya minsan conflict din yung mga community guidelines nila.
Totoo yan.
Di
Kasi
ba?
parang bakit? Anong ginawa kong mali? Maraming naggaganyan eh. Ano yung
Correct.
mali dito? Tapos sabay makikita mo ang ginawa ng ibang tao tapos nag-flourish yung
Correct.
videos nila.
Feeling mo na pag-iinitan ka.
Oo, parang may gano'n, no? Or depende kung nasaan country ka.
Hmm.
Like yung mga, di ba kakaban lang ng Amerika tapos bumalik na ulit because of Trump daw. Yung mga American creators, ang dami sa kanila parang, uy, totoo ba? Bakit pinayagang gawin yan? Like yung mga naguhubad, yung mga, bakit
Correct.
pinayagan yan? May mga questions ang ganyan na sometimes parang weird lang ng slight. But of course, buhay nila yan. And TikTok,
Correct.
I'm assuming TikTok knows what it's doing.
It's the algorithm eh. And then most of the people na pag nag-appeal ka, ang kausap mo na AI na.
Totoo.
So, we're all adjusting to AI na rin, guys. So,
Yes.
you have to be open to change.
Tama.
Kasi
And
si
the fear of losing your job because of AI.
Correct, correct. Actually, some of my writer friends have lost their jobs na kasi isang pindot lang ng topic, may chat GPT.
Tama. Pati mga graphic designers. Di ba?
Yun.
Ang
Minsan sa
bilis
mall makikita ng son ko yung poster sa mall, ay, that was made with AI. Really?
Nade-detect niya.
Yes, kasi ano siya, medyo techie yung son ko eh.
Galing naman.
Ayan. So,
Ayan.
guys, may question ba kayo kay Sir Jay?
OMG.
Biglang Q&A. Ayan. Ano ba yung mga na ano na natin siya? To overcome, just enjoy it. Ayan. Baka may mga gusto kayong sabihin sa ating special guest tonight.
Yes. May mga nagme-message din dito. Hindi
nga.
naman siya question. Mga idol, for me, the process is so hard. Hindi ko talaga alam kumita dito. Hindi ko alam ang... si Carol Marante Sardid is asking nga parang hindi niya alam kung paano kumita. Well, actually, I'm surprised and I think I'm also happy na in some way kumikita ako dito sa TikTok because of the lives and the affiliate marketing.
Ayan. Ayun ang monetization mo.
Yung monetization. So I think it would be great no if you could I'm sure you did videos already about monetization, no, how to do it. So punta lang kayo kay Miss Sheila and doon sa mga videos niya tuturuan niya kayo kung paano kayo kikita dito sa TikTok. Hello to Leila Fernandez Betia, my friend.
Hello. Ayan. Pero speaking of monetization, yun nga, I'm sure people seeing you here on TikTok, you get also gigs or invites outside of TikTok.
Ay, totoo yan, brands. May mga lumalapit. Tama.
Mm.
Like Anlin, lumapit sa akin ang Anlin.
Oh, wow.
Oo,
Oh,
yung
diba?
gatas.
Oo.
I did I did 3 videos for them na.
Bongga. Oo nga,
Bongga.
nakita ko yata yun. Oo, di ba may mga fine-flex ka na products?
Yes.
Pero wala namang yellow bag.
Walang,
Oo,
actually meron yung iba na
oo, yung iba.
Anlin.
Okay.
Yun.
Ayan. How often do you post pala in a day?
Ideally, I want to post sana 1 video a day. Pero hindi ako consistent. It depends
Mm.
on my schedule then. That's a problem with being an entrepreneur, 'di ba? Parang hindi
Mm.
sasabihin na hawak mo yung oras mo. Pero actually, 'di ba, parang depende sa workload.
Oo.
But ideally, I want to post a video a day. Ang nangyayari sa akin parang 3 times a week.
Oh, 3 times a week. At least consistent, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ikaw,
Specific.
Miss Sheila, how many videos do you post?
In a day, minimum ko is one.
Mm-hmm.
Pero pag sinipag, three at least.
Because this is, for you, no, this is a full-time thing.
Yes, because I also offer TikTok coaching. So people could book a one-on-one session with me to
Ang
check
galing
their account.
naman. Yun yung
Ganun.
bookmark.
No, the bookmark pa is different. They can buy the bookmark, tapos may mini courses yon that they can watch.
Ang
Yeah, they
galing.
just have to scan the QR code, tapos may mapapanood sila na mini course.
Ang galing mo naman.
Yun.
Saang site yun? Patreon?
No, it's a different website. Hindi ko ma-mention,
Mm.
baka maano tayo.
Okay.
Starts with a V.
Starts with a V. Okay.
With an
Okay.
IMEO. Yan.
Okay.
Yan.
Vimeo.
Yes.
Vimeo. Akala ko yung OnlyFans.
Oy, bawal yon. Ayan, ako naghang ka na.
Joke lang.
Yeah.
Ayan, baka it's my internet. May si
Okay.
Carol Morante, okay idol, Miss Sheila, one-on-one tayo please. I'm willing and interested, sabi ni Carol.
Ayan. Sa mga interested ng one-on-one, the link is in my bio. Ayan, just fill up the form. Nandun din yung information how to do that. Yan. And of course,
And
for those,
how
for
much
those
yung
who want
mga,
the bookmark, ano yan, sorry.
sorry, go ahead. I'm interrupting. Go.
It's okay. For those who want the bookmark, it's just in my TikTok shop. Ayan. Okay.
Galing. Tapos nandun na rin ang rates.
Yes, nandun na rin yung rates.
Galing.
Mura lang yan kasi, syempre, I'm looking at the rates of the other coaches. I know my audience, pinag-iipunan pa nila yan, and they really want to learn, so, mura lang yan.
Fantastic. What if ako din mag-book din ako, no, in
Sige.
the future?
Actually, some of our members in the Stages GC, nag-book na rin sa akin. Yan. So, some of them, inaalagaan ko na ang kanilang account.
Wow. Okay. Oh, that's an idea that I could explore.
Yeah.
Ang galing, ano, as in you are self-sufficient. Tapos ginawan mo ng paraan to stay at home and work at home, and this is what you do, you love doing it.
Yes, and
Nakakatulong ka pa. Galing.
Thank you. Ayan. By the way, do you have anything to promote? Any upcoming events or
Oh,
are you
yes.
live stream schedule?
Pero di ba kakanta ka muna? Nax!
Oh, kaya hindi
Kakanta
kita
si Miss
marinig.
Sheila.
Yeah, sige, kanta muna ako. Ikakabit ko yung aking ano uli. Kasi
Go,
hindi
go,
mo ko
go.
maririnig.
Okay.
Hindi
Go,
kita
go, go.
marinig. Okay, teka. I need to
Kakanta na si Miss Sheila.
Thank you.
Amazing. As in mommy, tapos content creator, singer, lahat-lahat na.
Let me set up. Can you hear me?
Yes.
I can't hear you. Yeah, let's see if I have music. Syempre, oldies but goodies tayo. Where is it?
Yan. Nagpalit ako headset.
Wait lang. Okay, guys, by the way, while we are setting up our song, can you hear the music?
Yes.
Okay. This is by the Beatles. There are places I'll remember all my life. Though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. All these places have their moments with lovers and friends. I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living. In my life, I've loved them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compared with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them in my life. I love you more. So you're watching Music Mondays with Sheila and Friends. Of course, our special guest tonight is Mr. J. Marquez. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them in my life. I love you more. In my life, I love you more. Yun, that's in my life by the Beatles. Yan, hugutin ko na.
Ayan.
More, more. More, more.
More.
10 more. 10 more
And more.
songs from Sheila Gamo, aka Bayanihan. Merong comment dito no sinabi ni Carol Morante Sardid na wow, ganda ng voice ni Miss Sheila. To si Idol J Chan parang nakaduet ko na noon. Baka malamang Carol no. Tapos ang ganda daw ng boses mo, Sheila.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you Edjin also for the gifts.
Ayan. Actually, not many people know that I sing dito sa TikTok kasi nga ang aking niche ay TikTok coaching.
Tama. But you know, as an artist, no, because Sheila is an artist as well, and she also came from did theater before. So a lot of naman mga theater artists like us can sing, dance, and act. Diba? We've
Correct.
experimented in doing those three all at the same time. Dala ng pangangailangan.
We need to do other things and
Yes. Tama. Ayun, speaking of, thank you very much for that beautiful song no by the Beatles, no. I believe it's by the Beatles.
Yes. In
Tama,
my
ang
life.
ganda. Classic song by the Beatles.
Yes.
And you were asking earlier before you rendered your song number if I had activities for people to participate in. I have a show, Miss Sheila, on Wednesday. So malapit na siya. January 22, 31, Feb 14, Valentine's Day, and Feb 28. I'll be performing at Newport World Resorts. Kasi hindi pala
Oh.
Resorts World, baliktad pala. Yun ang nakikita ko sa social media nila. Newport World Resorts, Manila. There's a restaurant there called Wolfgang Steakhouse. Are you familiar with Wolfgang?
Yes, I
Yes.
nadaanan ko na siya.
Ayun. So, they'll start a series of musical performances at Wolfgang Steakhouse. And I will be their first artist starting on the 22nd.
Nice.
So, various artists yan on other days. Pero yung schedule ko, 4 na araw ng performances on the dates that I mentioned. So, 22, 31, February 14. Kung wala kayong ka-date, wala kayong jowa, ako na lang ang ka-date ninyo sa Feb 14 and on the 28th of February as well.
Yeah. What time is that?
It's at 7:30 p.m. Mag-dinner kayo sa Wolfgang. Not necessarily steak. May pastas din sila, meron mga chicken dishes. Masarap ang dessert at kape as well.
Oh, kita-kits tayo dun, guys. Oh, punta natin
Oo.
sa
Sa Newport, World Resorts.
Wednesday.
This coming Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. May yun na live musicians yun with me.
Wow.
So live yung tugtugan. Musical director is Gino Cruz. Si Gino Cruz, sila yung Cruz na pamilya na may-ari ng Philippine Airlines noon.
Wow.
And ngayon, nagnenegosyo na siya doing restaurant. So isa doon ay ang Wolfgang Steakhouse. So
Ayan.
Wednesday, yun pa lang. Tapos in terms of music, maglalabas ako sa mga streaming platforms ng isang kanta very soon. Yun. Because nakita ko yung iyong questions, di ba? You sent me some questions.
Yes.
Ano pa ba yung question mo sa akin? Ano pa ba yung gusto kong gawin or mangyari?
Yes. What are the future things plan mo as a content creator, as an artist?
Yes. Okay. This is about work. In terms of my personal life, as long as we're healthy, okay na ako eh. Me and my family, my kids, my family are healthy. I'm fine with that. We have food to eat. Okay na ako. I will not ask for more. In terms of career, sana magkaroon ako ng solo hit song. I think every singer naman yan din ang gusto na magkaroon ng isang kanta na maging hit song na mapapatugtog sa mga platforms, no? Magugustuhan ng tao, nabebenta sa tao. Because yung ganyan thing is hit or miss yan eh.
Yeah, but that can happen here on TikTok, ha? Some artists just release their songs here, tapos
Tama.
naging trend, di ba? So that
Tama.
can happen. Manifest mo na.
Yes, oo. Yun, bala ko siyang ilabas very soon. Yun, parang anak, no? Parang anak lang. I-ray ko siya.
Ilalabas.
Yung kanta.
Oo. Sige. I-connect mo rin naman yan dito sa TikTok. So, pwede nating i-ano, guys, gamiting sound.
Tama. Pwede.
Sige, i-promote natin yan paglabas na. Pag nailabas
Salamat. Salamat. Super thank you. Ikaw, ikaw naman, ano yung gusto mo pang mangyari as, not only as a content creator, in your life?
In my life, probably, actually, to get to perform, to get to teach, I'm actually happy
You're
with
doing
what
it na eh.
now. Yeah. In a bigger sense, probably to be able to produce musicals.
Wow.
Kasi we've done it before, pero in small, ano lang, for schools. Yan. Kasi
Why not?
my dad used to compose songs, tapos ako nagsusulat. Kaya lang na nawala siya, natigil yon. So,
okay.
I want to be able to do that again. Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. On a bigger scale. Yeah, so, yun pangalan ko, makapag-produce ng musical.
Why not? I-manifest na. Ipag-pray natin yan. Success, no?
Na kita. In the first musical na ipoproduce ko, minamanifest ko na, kasama si
Game. Game.
Abangan nyo yan, ha?
Game.
Yes. Ayan.
Ayun.
And of course,
go, sorry. Hindi, nagbabackread ako kasi baka may mga nagsasabi, baka may mga
nagko-comment na ano niya, na-miss ko po kayo, love you po.
Yes.
Sino na-miss nyo? Ako o
Hello to
siya?
all my constants, no? Nandyan si Santa. Magandang
Hello,
gabi,
everyone.
Santa. Si Leila nandyan. Mga friends ko sila.
Yes, sa
Sheila.
mga bagong pasok. Hi, I'm Sheila Gamo and this is Mr. J. Marquez. Ayan.
Yes. Oo,
Both
may
our audiences
pa-poster
are
pa
seeing
eh.
each other. Kaya
May mga
sabi ko co-host. Para
tama.
my audience can see you, your audience can see me.
Tama. Si Len, nandyan din si Len. Mga kaibigan ko si Len na kumakanta din. At kasama natin sa stages, no? Bagong
Oh
salta siya sa
yeah.
stages.
And hello nga pala sa ating mga ka-stages. May mga nandito ba? Hindi ko na na-share sa GC yung
Oo
yung
nga.
live stream na.
Yung si Ed Jin sabi, goal ko po makatravel because of the music. Because of the, oh, sige. Goal ko
Ayan.
po mag-travel through music because of the music that you do. Totoo. Nangyayari sa akin yan, Sheila, no?
Yes.
Na
Mm,
nakapag-travel ako because of my singing
really.
around the world. Sa
Bongga.
maraming bansa.
Gusto ko rin yan. Ako
Oo.
nakapag-travel ako because of theater. Pag nag-tour yung, pag nag-tour yung play.
Tama.
Pero in the Philippines lang.
Tama. Hello
Nakapag-perform.
may nanonood sa atin from Kyoto, Japan, si Rubinet. Magandang gabi sa iyo,
Wow.
Rubinet.
Hello. Mabuhay,
Wow.
Japan.
Nakapag-Japan ka na ba, Sheila?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Ako din.
Sure.
Naunahan pa ako nung anak ko. Nag-Japan siya.
Bongga.
Oo.
Hindi lang nakaka-experience eh.
Oo.
Ayan.
Yun.
Oh,
Sheila,
yes.
papaalam lang ako sa iyo ng mabilis. Pwede ba ako mag-CR break lang?
Sige,
O,
sure.
tapos magkwento ka muna.
Oo, sige.
Mabilis lang.
Okay.
Yung pantog ko eh. Dali lang, saglit lang.
Okay. Ayan guys, for those who are seeing me for the first time or mga bagong pasok lang, today is Music Monday with Sheila and Friends and tonight's guest is Mr. J. Marquez. Ayan. Kung na-late kayo, wala, hindi nyo napanood yung yung interview. Pero in short, we are talking about his niche which is music. So kung may mga singers dyan, ayan, as you can see, you can also be successful here on TikTok as a singer. Okay, kung alam nyong gamitin yung app. And of course, aside from monetization with being an affiliate or monetization by live gifts, pwede ka rin makakuha ng mga brand deals. Ayan, mga paid promotions, and of course, mga gigs. May invite ka sa mga gigs kung makapag-grow ka as a content creator here on TikTok as a musician. O, diba? Yan. So, yun po ang ginagawa natin tonight. Ayan. May mga tanong ba kayo about tonight's episode? Pasensya na hindi ako nakapag-live the past few days kasi enrollment ng anak ko. So, balik-balik kami sa school. Ayan. But yeah, for the next live streams ko, magkakaroon tayo ng mga theme per live stream. So, what? 5 o'clock.
5
Okay.
p.m. Wednesdays.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Ayan. Hello everyone. Thank you very much sa mga nagpapadala ng gifts. Ayan. And of course, sa mga guests ni Jay, hi. Ayan, I'm TikTok coach Sheila Gamo and I've started, this is my very first episode of Monday Music with Sheila and Friends. Should I call it Monday Music or Music Mondays? I have not decided. But Sheila and Friends is a program that I started way back 2019 sa iba-ibang platforms. Okay? In-start ko yan kasi ang dami kong nakitang friends ko na nalungkot, lalo na yung mga performer friends ko na nalungkot during the pandemic. So we started Sheila and Friends para nakikita-kita pa rin kami kasi di ba bawal lumabas that time.
Tama. Ika nga ni Kim Chu, bawal lumabas.
Yeah. Kailangan mag-comply ka.
Tama. Si Kim Chu na nasa Cebu, ay umuwi na yat because of sinulog.
Yes.
I did a project for Julie's Bake Shop.
Really?
And then may participation ako pero meron lang akong mga friends who did it for me. So mga influencers from Cebu based sila. They did the project for me on my behalf. So, nakasama nila si Kim Chu doon.
Nice. But wala ka dun.
Okay, hindi ako makalipad because of my show.
Oo nga.
I had to prepare for my shows.
Correct.
Yun.
Ayan.
Pero sayang, no? Ang saya sana ng
Oo
Sinulog.
nga eh. I have not seen the Sinulog face-to-face. Puro sa TV ko lang.
Ako din. I haven't been. May sinabi si Ces, Sir Jay will send you lyrics that I wrote myself. Baka pwede mong malagyan ng music and ko. Wow, thank you, Ces. Why not, no? Ay, ba't tawa? Thank you, Ces. That's a nice idea. Why not, 'di ba? Baka pwedeng maging hit song 'yan.
Pwede yan. Collab idea, o 'di ba?
Collab. O, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng sense of community ng TikTok, no?
Yes.
What possibly could happen.
Actually, I have this viewer then. Sabi niya, animator po ako, pwede po ba kayong gawa ng animation? So, ginawa niya ako ng cartoon. Di ba? May mga ganun.
May mga pag-ganyan.
Yeah, and you will see some artists, di ba? May mga content creators, gagawan sila ng mga fans nila ng caricature. Yan, so,
Tama.
there is that, sense of connection kahit hindi kayo nakikita face-to-face. Di ba?
Yes. I'd like to say hello to Lei Chua Pragi watching also right now. Lei Chua Pragi is a singer also. He's an amazing singer. Para siyang doble cara. He can do a female voice and a male voice. Parang, di ba there was a singer on ABS-CBN na ganun? Babae, lalaki. Nag-shift yung voice. Galing.
There was that time, kalahati yung mukha, di ba? Nagiging boy.
Oo, yes. May ganyan, pwedeng ganyan.
May naka-makeup.
Galing. Maraming mga talented tao na nadidiscover dito sa TikTok talaga.
Correct. Ayan. So, before we finish our program, syempre, meron kang advice. I would ask for advice from you sa mga singers natin dyan or content creators na gusto rin yung ganyang klaseng niche. If you're a musician, a singer, a composer, here on TikTok, what advice will you give them?
Because I thought, the reason why I'm going to say this is because nangyari din sa akin, no? And I gave it some deep thought na, of course, definitely, and we should celebrate the talent of the Filipino, no? Whenever we see a talent on TikTok. Ang daming magaling, Sheila. Sobrang daming magagaling na tao. And I think it's very primal and innate in us to think about, okay, mas magaling siya sa akin. You tend to compare yourself to other performers. So, nangyari din sa akin yun, no? Parang, pero if you do that, it's not good for your spirit. It's not good for your heart, for your soul, that you compare yourself to other performers because you have your own strengths. So for me, for all singer content creators here, stay on your lane, stay on where you're good at, and build from there. Stop comparing yourself to other performers and other singers. They have their own lane, they have their own strengths. Palakasin mo yung sarili mo sa kung ano yung saan ka magaling.
Correct.
In terms of singing, you're a balladeer, then stick to that. You explore also, of course, the way to grow is to explore, di ba? Kaya ko bang gawin to? The only way is to try it, di ba? But then if it doesn't work, then okay, at least you know it doesn't work. So yung advice ko is stay on your lane and build from there.
Ayun.
Yeah, stop comparing yourself to other performers.
Tama. Yung mga mahilig magsana all dyan.
Sana all, bigyan.
May makikitang magaling o mas magaling sa kanila. Sana all, maganda boses. Sana all,
yeah.
Maraming followers.
Yeah, siguro maganda din, no, to build in the kindness of your heart. You build your heart to appreciate other performers. Parang, ay, ang galing niya. I'm happy for him or her. Ang galing niya. Dito ako magaling. So dito ako magle-lane. Ito yung path ko.
Tama. Nasa mindset din yan, di ba?
Yes.
So, yung inggit, i-shift natin to, ay, gusto ko rin maging ganon. Gagayahin ko siya. O, di ba?
Tama.
O, gusto ko siyang inspiration.
Tama.
Hindi yung puro inggit ka na, ay, suko na ako.
Tama. Kasi it's overwhelming, Sheila, to see other performers and parang, wow! Manood ka lang ng Tawag ng Tanghalan.
Correct.
Ay, ang gagaling. Grabe. Tapos, suddenly, ang knee-jerk reaction mo is to think about, ay, hindi ko kayang gawin yan. Or, naku, kailangan lampasan ko yan. May mga ganon, yung pag-competitive spirit. Stick to your lane and learn to appreciate other performers and other artists.
Yes. And syempre, yung mga successful na yan, may pinagdaanan din yan. Nagsimula din yan as beginners, di ba?
Tama.
So, tsaka iba-iba tayo ng pace of development. So, may mabilis matuto, may mabilis gumaling, di ba? May mga dahan-dahan.
Tama. If there's one piece of advice that you want to give, regardless of the topic, what piece of advice would you like to share?
With everyone?
Yeah.
Well, we only live one life and ang ending natin ay isa. So,
Tama.
yes. So, do not waste any time. Make each day count. Diba? So,
Tama.
if you have a way to improve yourself today, may gusto kang matutunan, may gusto kang improve sa sarili mo, do it now. Huwag mo ipagpabukas. Yan. Because
Tama.
tomorrow is not promised.
Tama.
Yes.
And knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
Yes.
Yes, I live by that talaga kasi,
Oo.
diba? Every day.
Tama.
Tumang napala ako today, diba? May natutunan ba ako?
Ako, may marami akong natutunan. Sabi ni Edna de Ocampo, practice makes perfect.
Yes.
Tapos, sabi ni Gavlin, #42, yes po, learn to appreciate others.
Correct.
Inggit will pull you down, sabi ni Len.
Tama.
Sabi ni DJ, a whole new world. Nagre-request yata. A whole new world. Nice advice, sabi ni Manay Litlo. Yes.
Oo. Gusto mo mag-duet kami? Paano?
Yun nga that's one wish of mine for the TikTok app is sana makapag-duet without latency.
Oo nga eh. Yun ang hinihintay ko. Magkaroon sila ng feature na may karaoke. Di ba?
Tama. Nasabay tayo sa live stream kumakanta ng hindi nalilate.
Correct.
Pero meron daw nakakagawa through meron daw third party thing na dinadaanan.
Really?
Para daw walang latency.
Somebody
sinabihan ako ni she's a singer also on TikTok. Her name is Katre. Sabi niya meron daw paraan.
Oh,
pero ayaw niya i-share. So, well,
naman.
Fine. Oo nga.
Share niya.
Oo nga.
Mag-duet daw tayo. Gusto ko mag-duet kayo.
Oo nga eh. Well, sa duet videos ko, Sheila, you can...
Duetan ko na lang siya, tapos mapapanood nyo sa account ko.
Tama.
So, abangan nyo, duetan ko si Jay.
Yes.
Ayan. So, syempre, before we end this live, ayan, kakantahan tayo ulit ni Mr. Jay.
OMG.
Yes.
Okay ka pa ba sa time? Dahil lampas na sa oras mo.
Okay lang.
Baka sleeping time mo na. Hindi pa naman.
Hindi pa naman. Okay.
I'd like to sing a song na madalas i-request sa akin. So here's a song by batang-bata to, Sheila. Ang pangalan niya ay Elliot James Ray.
Oh.
Pero ang tunog niya luma. Tunog luma siya, parang Elvis Presley, parang ganun. Napakahusay na bata. So here's his hit song called I Think They Call This Love. I'd like to dedicate this to you, Sheila, and of course to all of your viewers. Here's that song.
Thank you.
Ay, hindi siya karaoke. Sorry. Ito natin. Live na live. Ito na po.
Yes.
They say you know when you know, so let's face it, you had me at hello. Hesitation never helps. How could this be anything else? I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. Oh, you can say that I'm a fool and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Oh, one smile, one kiss, two lonely hearts is all that it takes now, baby. You're on my mind every night, every day. Good vibrations getting loud. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. Oh, you can say that I'm a fool and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Thank you sa gifts. I think they call this love. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shout out to Bombay. What could this be between you and me? Oh, oh, all I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. Oh, you can say that I'm a fool and I don't know very much, but I think they call, oh, I think they call, yes, I think they call this love. Thank you. That's for all of you. That's for you, Sheila, and your followers.
And thank you very much for joining me today. Ayan. And actually, you are my very first guest for the return of Sheila and Friends.
It's a pleasure, no. The pleasure is mine, and I hope this is not the last.
Yes, of course. Yan. Magiging regular na ang Music Mondays of Sheila
Chikahan
and
natin,
Friends.
no.
Yes.
Chikahan natin. Looking forward to that. Salamat, Sheila, for you for who you are,
Thank you so
because
much.
you're a great contribution to this app
Thank
and
you
to the
so much.
world, no, to the world.
To the world.
Yes,
Thank you.
Miss
Thank you.
Universe.
Ayan. Thank you so much for joining me
Thank you.
tonight. And sana po na-enjoy nyo ang ating Music Mondays with Sheila and Friends. And of course, Mr. J. Marquez.
Ayun. So paano ba to? We end the live or ikaw lang?
Yeah.
Kick out mo ko, tama ba?
Yeah. I-kick out talaga. Yeah. I
Oo
can,
nga.
I can end the hosting
End the
from
hosting. Sige.
here. Ayan.
Hindi
So,
ko
thank
pa
you very
alam eh.
much.
Thank you. Bye, Sheila. See you
Bye.
soon.
Ayan, teka.
Hindi ko din alam eh.
Eto na, totoo na to. Thank you very much, Jay. Bye. Ayan. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. J. Marquez. I hope you guys enjoyed that live. Ayan. So, may mga tanong ba tayo? May mga na-miss ba ako na comments while we were live?
And of course, guys, my next guest for next Monday is, andito siya, si Bombay. Bombay 12. Ayan. Bombay. Ayan, nandito siya. Ang tunay niyang pangalan ay si Theodore. Theodore, tama ba? Yes. Abangan nyo po. Next Monday, we have another special guest. Ayun no, si Bombay. Ayan. Singer din po siya from Stages. Sorry, nabuking ko ba? Erase, erase, erase. Ayan. So, um, a few more minutes. So, let's stay a few more minutes to promote our one-on-one coaching. Ayan, sa mga gustong magpa-coach, the link is in my bio. Sa mga interesado sa ating bookmarks, our mini courses, it's in my TikTok shop. And syempre, kasama na rin po sa TikTok shop ang business ng aking daughter, Anne Charlotte Jewelry. Sa mga gustong makakuha ng mga exclusive designs from my daughter's first venture into business. Ayan. May kasama pong freebies yan na soaps, perfumes, ayan. So, depende kung ano ang available. While supplies last, there will be freebies with your earrings. Ayan, available in my TikTok shop. Okay, so, the night is still young. Magkantahan muna tayo. Ayan. Oldies but goodies for you guys. This is from Sheena Easton. I saw an old friend of ours today. She asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds round here. Well, I've been trying to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you'll see I'm almost over you. You're such a sly one with your cold, cold heart. Made believing came easy, but it tore me apart. Time heals all wounds, they say, and I should know. 'Cause it seems like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you. I'm almost shook these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. How's the music? I can't forgive you, and soon I'll forget all my shattered dreams. Although you left me with nothing to show, well, I miss her. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. When you come back around, after painting the town, you'll see I'm almost over you. Yan, pasensya na hindi na masyado maganda pala yung -1 na napili ko. Ayan. Just a few more songs to wrap up Music Mondays. But yeah, on Monday, I will be back with another special guest from Stages Talents. Ayan, abangan niyo po si Bombay. Bombay will be singing with me on Monday next week. Tuesday, no bass echo maybe. Okay. Tuesdays will be pasilip. Okay, we're going to have TikTok tutorials on Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday is TikTok Tips Tuesday. So, balik tayo sa dati nating live streams. Wednesdays, I'm thinking of featuring one of my one-on-one students. So, I will be asking some of my students from one-on-one to guest para i-share nila yung kanilang development as my student here on TikTok. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung sino ma-invite natin for Wednesday. Yan. So, I will try my best to go live every day at 7 p.m. Thank you so much, Daisy. Ayan. Pero Mondays, I will reserve for Music Mondays, okay? So, kung mahilig kayo sa kantahan, punta kayo dito pag Monday, okay? Magigest tayo ng isa sa mga singers natin. Maganda yung music from Covers PH. Okay, just a few more songs before I end my live. Pero once again, thank you very much. Ayan. Kuya Himig, punta ka ng Music Mondays, ha? Huh, huh, huh. And of course, thank you very much once again to my special guest tonight, Mr. J. Marquez. Pinaunlakan niya ang aking invitation. And for my very first episode, you made it special. My very first episode of Sheila and Friends. Ayan. Dahil pumayag ka. My favorite song. Oo nga, no, hindi, napaisip ako. Ano ba favorite song ko? Ang dami kong favorite song. Siguro, kasi for those who do not know, mahilig ako sa musicals. And my favorite song is I Know the Truth from the musical Aida. Wala masyadong nakakaalam nun kasi it's from a musical. Pero it's so beautiful. I know the truth. Alam ko ang katotohanan. Ganun. Eto, something new naman. Sana maganda na yung music. Okay ba yung tunog? Do I still remember this song? Pangit yung tunog. Anong tunog ng music? Parang nag-echo, no? Ano bang maganda? Yung ano? Pop song? Marami. Kasi mga kinakanta sa akin ng dad ko before, yung mga ano, Beatles, Cliff Richard, ayan. Kuya Himig, okay ba yung music ko? Talking to myself and feeling low. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel has come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel has come and gone before. You know what it's all about. You know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Yes, rainy days and Mondays for our Music Mondays with Sheila and Friends. So again, kung gusto nyong makapanood uli ng ganito, this episode will be every Monday, obviously, Music Mondays with Sheila and Friends, 7 p.m. And of course, our next guest will be Bombay. Boom, BOOMBAE 12. Ayan, yun po ang kanyang user ID. And abangan nyo po, magkaroon din po siya ng poster na ganito. I-announce ko naman sa aking page. Yan. And of course, pag-uusapan naman natin ang kanyang journey. Kung si Mr. J. Marquez ay mahilig gumawa ng mga duet videos, si Bombay naman, mas active siya sa live streaming. So we will be talking about singers na ang niche naman ay singing through live stream. So, ang kanilang monetization is live streaming. So, yun po ang ating interview with Bombay. Aalamin natin, paano ba ang process ng mga content creators na nagpo-focus sa live streaming here on TikTok. Kung ikaw ay singer, pwede ka bang kumita with that kind of niche? Okay, so yun po ang topic natin next Monday with Bombay. So, abangan niyo po yan. And for those who watched tonight's episode, thank you very much sa mga nag-send ng gifts, sa mga nag-share, sa mga nag-like at nag-comment. Thank you very much. And of course, tomorrow will be TikTok Tips Tuesday. Ayan, Tuesday po. So, mga TikTok tips, back tayo sa pasilip. And of course, ayan, I will be discussing our bookmarks again, and of course, the mini courses, and of course, answering questions about TikTok. Yan po ang ating Tuesday TikTok tips. Yan po ang ating episode. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching. Once again, the 3 things that I ask my viewers every day na isama nyo sa inyong to-do list. Number 1, do something good for someone else. Ayan, madali lang naman. Hindi naman kailangan pera-pera lagi ang tulong, di ba? So, do something nice to someone else. Kumbaga, lahat ng ginagawa nyo hindi puro pang sarili. Dapat meron din para sa ibang tao. Second, do something that makes you happy. Baka puro ka naman others, nakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo. So, do something simple, kahit gaano ka liit yan, basta mapapangiti ka, gawin mo everyday. Because if you do that every day kang happy. And third, isama mo sa to-do list mo, always remember to pray. And when you pray, start with a thank you. Count your blessings. Okay? You have things that other people are just praying for. So say thank you. Second, say sorry. Kung may nagawa ka na nakaka-offend kay Lord, mag-sorry ka. Okay? Humble yourself and apologize. And third, whatever your wishes, your dreams, your worries, your fears, itaas mo lahat kay Lord and trust that everything will be okay. Kaya ang aking affirmation every day is, everything works out for me. Everything works out for me. Everything works out for me. In Tagalog, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, ang lahat ay magiging maayos para sa akin. Ang lahat ay magiging maayos para sa akin. Ang lahat ay magiging maayos para sa akin. Okay? Kahit anong problema, natatapos din yan. May katapusan din ang problema. May katapusan din ang mga pinagdadaanan. Okay? So, relax ka lang. Alright? And of course, if you are not happy with how things are, or feeling mo walang nagbabago, baka ikaw ang kailangan magbago. Baka ikaw ang kailangan may matutunan. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi, knowledge is power. Learn something new every day. Make every day count. Be better than you were yesterday. Okay? Manood ka ng tutorials, wag purong mga K-drama. Ayan. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. See you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Bye! God bless.